Hi guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to show you a drink from our new cocktail class menu, and it's called the Buccaneer, which is a tiki drink, and it's full of flavors, full of spice and full of sunshine. So over to you, Kay.
Alright guys, it's Kay here at TT Liquor once again, and today I'm going to be showing you a cocktail from our new cocktail making class menu. It's a tiki drink and it's called the Buccaneer. And the first thing going in there is going to be white rum, and I want 1 shot or 25 mils of my white rum. Here we go. Next up, we've got some more rum going in. This time we're going to use some spiced rum. So I've got some nice spiced rum here, and again we're going to go in with 25 mils or 1 shot of our spiced rum. Next up is the first fruity element in this cocktail, which is going to be some banana liqueur. So I've got this Banana do Brazil, which is banana liqueur. And just like our 2 rums, I want 25 mils or 1 shot of my banana liqueur. Next up, I've got some more liqueur going in. This is Velvet Falernum. This is a liqueur that is flavored with lime and almonds, and we want 20 mils of our Velvet Falernum. We're going to add some pineapple juice. I've got some pineapple juice here. We want 1 shot or 25 mils of our pineapple juice. We're going to add some citrus. We're using fresh lime juice in this, and I want 1 shot or 25 mils of my lime juice. So now all I need to do is fill this with some cubed ice and give it a shake. Here we go. Pop my tin on top, big old smack to seal it. We'll give that a shake for around about 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go. And I am just going to strain this straight into the glass. And then I'm going to fill that glass with some cubed ice. So I've got one of the lime halves that I squeezed earlier. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to hollow it out. I'm going to stick my thumbs in there, push all of the remaining flesh to the edges, and I'm going to sit that little bowl right on top of my cocktail. So I'm going to fill up my little lime bowl with some of this rare nephew. So I've got some matches here. I'm going to take a match and set it alight. There we go. Now you might not be able to see the flame. It's kind of pale blue, almost invisible. But in my little shaker here, I've got some cinnamon. And I'm just going to dust a bit of cinnamon over this flame, and you can watch what happens. There we go, beautiful. And then finally just blow that out and pour the rest of that rum in with our cocktail. And that is our Buccaneer ready to drink.